Dr. Swanz here. I'm a naturopathic physician in Louisville, Kentucky, and I want to talk to you about something that I think is important for anyone looking to reclaim their health. I want to address the current trends we're seeing when it comes to how people are going about changing their eating habits. You've probably heard a lot of buzz about intermittent fasting and medications like Ozempic for weight loss. And on the surface, both of these approaches seem appealing, but I want to challenge you to think a little deeper about what's going on. Now, don't get me wrong. Intermittent fasting, where we shorten the window of time we eat each day, can be an effective way to drop some weight. And yes, medications like Ozempic can help people lose weight in the short term by limiting how much food they can put into the body. But here's the thing. Neither option is truly sustainable long term. The real issue I see with these methods is that many people aren't changing what they eat. They're still consuming the same processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats that got them into trouble in the first place. These methods can act as a band-aid, but without addressing the quality of the food you put into your body, it's not going to create lasting health. So let's challenge ourselves to do better. Sustainable health is not about just shrinking the window in which you eat or relying on medications to limit the food you can put into your body. It's about transforming what you eat, fueling your body with nutrient-dense, whole foods that help you thrive. Instead of asking, how can I eat less? Ask yourself, how can I eat better? By making small, intentional changes to the quality of your food, you're going to feel more energetic, more balanced, and more in tune with your body. That's where true transformation happens. Not in the number of hours you fast or the number on a prescription bottle. So, if you're looking to reclaim your health, start by reclaiming your relationship with food. Eat in a way that honors your body's needs. I believe in you. Let's make lasting changes together. Thanks for watching, commenting, and sharing this video. And remember, you can reclaim your health. I'm Dr. Swanz, and I'm happy to support you doing it.